The videos you're seeing right now were created using a secret AI workaround to access Seedance 2 with free credits and no watermark. I'm Iman, and this is Iman Global. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. There are a lot of technical details here, so stick with me until the end. With this method, you can create videos up to 15 seconds long. First, head over to FromIaConverge.ai. I'll drop the link in the description or a pinned comment, and you can also just search it on Google to find the site easily. Once you're on the site, hit the login button at the top of the page. You can sign up using either your email or a Google account. For convenience, I'm signing in with Gmail. After that, you'll be asked a few simple questions. You can answer them or just skip right past them. When you finish this step, 250 free tokens will be added to your account. After entering the site, you'll see a prompt box in front of you, and you might think this is where you should start using the agent to generate videos. But if you go into the settings and model section, you'll notice something interesting. Most of the models there, including Seedance 2, are locked and require a premium subscription. But don't worry, there's still a real hidden method that works. Now we're getting into the most important part of the tutorial, where Seedance 2 actually gets activated. On the left side of the website, there's a toggle menu. Click it and look for Video Editor. Once you open it, you'll enter a new workspace environment. Inside there, go to AI Chat. A chat box will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. Pay close attention here, because this AI chat box is our golden hidden gateway. This is where we can actually bypass the paywall and access the locked video models for video generation through the chat system. I'll show you a text-to-video example so you can see how Seedance 2 works. It's simple. Just tell the AI to use the Seedance 2.0 model. Add the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then write your prompt. Here's the exact format I'm using. Now I'm going to send my own prompt with these settings. If everything goes correctly, you'll see a message like using Seedance 2 model, and the system will start processing your request and generating the video. After a short wait, the video is ready. I'm going to play it now so we can check it out together. To download the video, just click the three dots inside the player, and from there you can download it in good quality with no watermark. Now let's move into animating still images, or in other words, a real image to video workflow using Seedance 2. Use the formula on the screen. Tell the AI to use Seedance 2 with your image as the reference instead of frame to video. Add your settings, then write your animation prompt. Here's mine. I'm going to enter this prompt into the box now. Next, using the plus button, I select and upload the image stored on my computer. Once that's done, the AI agent starts processing your request. First, you'll see a message like "Agent is thinking," and then it responds saying it will generate the video using Seedance 2 with your reference image. Now the final video is ready. Let's take a look at the result of this image to video process using Seedance 2 together. You can also continue chatting with the AI agent, apply changes, or generate new variations of the same video. The world of AI is changing every single day. This method might not stay available forever. So if it works right now, it's better to try it today. I keep updating new hidden methods regularly. And if you don't want to miss upcoming AI tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.